Hi, my name is Johannes Müller-Diesing, Manager Business Development and Industry Liaison for K.I.T Group. Good hybrid exhibition concepts create a whole that is more than the sum of its parts. In-person visitors do not only enjoy what is showcased on site, and online attendees are not limited to what is presented on the digital platform. Both components, the on-site and the online presence of an exhibitor, do not just complement one another, they produce an environment where both have the potential to enrich visitor experience and exhibitors' ROI of their counterparts. This cannot be fully left in the hands of the exhibitors. It's the organizers who should inspire by providing innovative corresponding opportunities and a platform that delivers what is needed to connect both components.